Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be going over how the pattern sequencer works in Phoscyon for your 303 goodness. This is an emulation, a software emulation of the TB-303 by Roland. And yeah, it's just a neat little purist way to go about things. So yeah, you press keys on the keyboard, nothing works, nothing kind of happens. You press play, then you get the default pattern. That's all well and good. And you can also you can turn off the internal sequencer, and then you can press the button, or you can press keys, and that'll be affected by that. That effectively turns off the pattern. But let's turn that on because I wanna show how to use this. This is a video request, by the way. So yeah, you have the ability to edit these. Not quite yet because we have to press this red button here. This is our ability to edit the pattern. And you'll notice that we have the ability, this little light comes on. And, as we play it, that red light moves along the sequence. And each of these bottom red lights is a step. So it moves along each step. It's a step kind of sequencer pattern thing. And that's all well and good. So each step can have three things happen, three or four things happening. And that's dictated by these buttons here. And you can select each step linearly or as you go or as it's playing. So this first step, the gate means whether this note is on or off, whether this step actually plays a note. You can turn it off, right? Or turn it back on, right? You can adjust whether it'll skip that step or not. Handy dandy tool if you want, if you want to build a rhythm in that way. The accent dictates how it works is you can accent a note. So you notice like 303 sequences go do 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 do. It goes so it's like the quiet and then the loud do 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 the loud one, and then it'll go back quiet. That's the accent, and that's controlled by the accent volume and the accent envelope. Always fun. And then you have the slide, which is it sustaining the note and then sliding to the next one. So it's like do 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 do, right? Someone should sample that. Anyway, so you can move along the sequence here. So let's turn off everything here. You can also go previous and previous and next in the pattern. And yeah, so we'll turn off that. Turning off all accent and slide. Awesome. So we have this pattern going on here. All right, let's go to right. So we have this thing right here, and this is whether you transpose up one semitone with them both down. You transpose up two octaves. Right? We don't want that. I want to have like another. Right? And you can go along and program a lot of these this way, just note by or step by step. Right? Turning off the transpose up or down. So this one is you transpose it down. This one you transpose it up. And with both of them selected, you transpose them 2 octaves. Let's change it to something beefier. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change from my square to a saw. I'm gonna bring down the cutoff. I'm gonna add some distortion by enabling this. This isn't on the original unit. I'm gonna bring up the preamp and then the clip. And I'm going to continue going next, turning up that transpose. All right, so it's kind of just chugging along. So some let's add some accents to this one here. Let's give that a try. Right? Right. So with the decay, the accent decay in the envelope accent, we can make it a lot more intense. Right? So the low pass filter kind of goes up when it's accented. So yeah. Let's go for the next step. Let's try the slide. Turn down that accent a bit. Right, so that's sounding a bit more like a 303. I'll turn that one down. I'm going to tie that in around here. I'm just going to see where I want the slide. You can adjust the slide time as well. But yeah, that's basic pattern writing. And yeah, that is... And with the step length, you can adjust the length of each step. So with it like fully to 11, the slide and the accent kind of default. Yeah, anyway, that is it for that. I hope you learned stuff. Take care and have a good one.